sunlight once. I remember it touching your face, like something I was never meant to keep. You were sunshine in the wrong place, raindrops on a lost day, rainbows that we couldn't chase, fading in the gray. Love like ours don't stay, it just passes through. Like light I never knew. Sunlight felt like a secret on your skin. I watched it fade before it could begin. Raindrops traced the silence in your eyes, every truth we buried in disguise. I held you like a moment out of time, knowing love like this is never mine. City lights were flickering like doubt, every road was leading you away somehow. Your voice echoes like a ghost in me, half a memory I can't set free. We danced between the storm and what could be, but storms don't ask for mercy. You were sunshine in the wrong place, raindrops on a lost day, rainbows that we couldn't chase, fading in the gray. Love like ours don't stay, it just passes through. Like light I never knew. Love like ours won't stay, it just cuts right through. Like light I almost knew. If I find you in another life, will the sky be kind this time, or will it break the same way? Just slower sunshine, raindrops. Nothing ever stays long enough to belong.